This is the Vellrive snow fog machine. Let's dive right in. When you open the box, you'll find two cards, the warranty card and the user manual, which contains all the essential information you'll need. Inside, you'll also get the remote control and two liquid bottles, which we'll talk about more in a moment. And finally, we have the machine itself. Once everything is out of the box, go ahead and remove the plastic covers from the machine, the remote, and the bottles. You might notice a bit of residue on the machine. This is completely normal. Before shipping, our team performs a quality check to ensure everything works properly, and the residue can simply be wiped off with a clean cloth. Now let's go over the parts. This front compartment is the bubble liquid tank, where you'll pour your bubble solution. At the back, we have the fog liquid tank, which is where the fog liquid goes. On the top, you'll find the mode selection buttons. And right here is a built-in handle for easy carrying and portability. Before powering on the machine, remember that the included liquid solutions are concentrates. You must mix them with water. The exact mixing ratio is printed on each bottle's sticker, so just follow that guide. Once your solutions are mixed, pour them into their respective compartments. Then switch on the machine using the power button at the back. You'll notice a red indicator light. A blinking red light means the fog liquid tank is empty. A steady red light means the machine is heating up, and no light means everything is ready to go. Now let's test the modes. First is the bubble mode, which produces small, cute bubbles. Second is the fog mode, which creates thick fogs surprisingly strong for a portable machine. And lastly, the fog bubble mode, which combines both effects. It creates fog-filled bubbles that pop with a very cool visual effect. If you're using this for parties, events, or creative shoots, you're definitely going to enjoy this machine. Have fun experimenting with all the modes, and enjoy your Vellrive snow fog machine.